but they discovered more damage than they expected in the lead up to that outage. And we're going to have to extend their shutdown period significantly in order to do all of the repairs they needed to do. My name is Colin Bateman. I work for IGS as Director of Business Development for Europe, Middle East and Africa. So in Europe, the power sector is moving substantially towards waste to energy. Waste to energy introduces different corrosion challenges in your boiler. And we had a client who had a new boiler, which was only a couple of years into operation, which was already seeing some significant metal wastage issues on the Fireside due to corrosion taking place. They had a major outage planned, but they discovered more damage than they expected in the lead up to that outage. And we're going to have to extend their shutdown period significantly in order to do all of the repairs they needed to do. The client, their biggest focus was maximizing the productivity of the unit because electricity prices were high. So profits were significant if they could run the unit. Reducing the risk of unplanned outage was key. Having a reliable, robust corrosion barrier was key, and IGS could facilitate that with the additional benefit of doing it in situ quickly so that they maintained their original shutdown schedule. So they were looking at doing field applied weld overlay in order to try and recover these surfaces and protect them for the next run, but that was going to take too long. So we discussed with them previously utilizing high velocity thermal spray to protect those wall-to-wall panels so that they could operate without any fear of any tube leaks for the next run of the boiler. And we were able to cover the areas much faster, more efficiently, and also specifically focus on the zones where they had the issues with the high velocity thermal spray. We did the project back in 2020 and the client has run the boiler with no leaks in those areas, no issues and no further metal wastage. So it's a very successful project from the client's perspective in reducing the time of their outage, maximizing their uptime and avoiding any unplanned outages during the operation of the boiler from those zones where they had the high risk due to low wall thickness of the pressure boundary.